What's up, traders? So, yeah, GBPUSD 200 pip trade, and it's in Asian session, getting things set up for tomorrow's inflation data with the dollar. So, hopefully, you all took that trade. I want to just go over, the trade as it played out, and then where we might be going on Euro USD, NZD USD. Man, I mean, we had some pretty big moves concerning the dollar, and this is what I was looking for. We had a great play here on Euro Swiss. But let's take a look here at some of the dollar pairs, specifically EU and GU. Starting off with pound dollar, this was our trade here, and played out pretty perfectly, right? So I sent like a before and after deal to the Telegram channel so you could see my line of thinking as this was setting up. So now I do feel that these moves potentially, like tomorrow, we do have inflation data, which is going to be a big deal. We PPI, I believe. So we just retested this zone right here. We hit our 200 pip take profit. So now what am I going to look for? I'm going to look for, use my Fibonacci extensions here from that low to the high to then measure out some of our downside targets. And we were talking about this. Man, I think I was talking about it on another video too, and also in the live call. The next recipe for this to be able to find targets for that is look left. If you don't know, if you are like any question in your mind, always look left. So now this is important. You can see the 127% extension ties in and links up to this area right here, this little order block deal that we got going on down there, right at 118.80. So that's going to be a really good downside target. Now, this is super important because we've invalidated what could have been, not so much on GU, but inverted head and shoulders. So you can see the head and shoulders there. We have a look at Euro USD. It's almost invalidated, but there's a possibility that we could, this could happen. We have a boom, 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 right? So, we held this level of support. I was talking about it on today's live call. So I think this is a pretty big deal, the fact that we haven't broken down there. So this is something to keep in mind for anybody that's long the dollar right now. I think there's a pretty decent possibility for us to get some, dollar weakness, or at least a pullback. NZD USD was a really good setup, but we're still hugging this same level of support and setting up for a bounce here, right? So we have a lot of good opportunities to sit back, let the market come to us. This is exactly what I do. And you can see here my little diagram. So this beautiful Picasso of how I would look for this to set up, lining up with my overall system and really preparing to get in on that, right? To crush it. Now, if we see some dollar weakness come in, and shout out to Sheldon in the accelerator group. If we see some dollar weakness come in, he was asking about dollar CAD today. And I think this could be a really good play, man. I think this could be a good play if that dollar weakness comes in. Now, flip side of that, we're seeing some pretty good pullbacks on a lot of these yen pairs. So I think a lot of opportunity here with Aussie yen. Geez, I was looking at this earlier and it really took off. AJ, there's a lot of opportunities, right? A lot of these yen pairs looking pretty strong and in breakout mode. GJ actually looks to be consolidating here in a bull flag pattern, kinda, I would say so. And so I would be watchful for the next move up here in pound yen. So man, we got targeting that 161.8 zone right there. So man, we got a lot of good setups this week. Of course, I've had a big week. I shared some of my profits in the group, but beyond that, we have guys in the group that are crushing it, that are winning. And so and it's so awesome to see, like, the vibes and the call And, seeing people have those breakthroughs is massive. So dude, you see me do this every day almost, and, consecutively pick these winners. And it kind of blows my mind. I saw some people, asking about strategies or whatever in the VIP chat. And like, this is literally the golden ticket for you, for anybody that's a trader that wants to figure out how to do this and to get funded, right? And to like learn in a real environment. So that's what I'm doing. And, but this opportunity is not going to be around forever. Obviously, I'm not going to do this forever. I don't plan on be doing these videos when I'm 60. You know what I'm saying? So, or probably not when I'm 40, right? So 42, 41. So that'd be a couple more years. So, but, this is the time, this is the place. There's no better time than now. So if you want to look at exactly what I'm doing, click the link below. Let's make it happen for you. And hopefully you took that GU trade and made some money. Let's make it happen for you. Peace.